Hello everyone, this is a Wi-Fi-controlled ESP32 Robot Tank built using a dual-track metal chassis kit. One of the most common issues with two wheels or track chassis kit is that when one's motor spins slightly faster than the other, the robot starts turning unintentionally. That's because both motors must run at the same speed to move straight. However, most of the time we use brush gear motors, and over time their speed starts to differ. In this video, I am bringing you a solution to that problem. With this project, you will be able to separately adjust the speed of each motor, control the robot tanks smoothly over Wi-Fi, and even fine-tune the motor speed to climb over obstacles and make precise turns. Everything is clearly explained step by step in this tutorial video. Before we jump into it, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright then, let's get into the video. For this project, I am using the YP100 metal track chassis kit. If you want to show how to assemble it, click the card above to watch the assembly video. I am using a 38-pin ESP32 board. And to make the wiring process easier, I am also using an ESP32 expansion board, but that part is optional. All the components used in this project, along with purchase links, are available in the description below. As shown in the video, attach the ESP32 with the expansion board, the motor driver and the battery holder to the chassis. A full detailed blog post about this project is available on the robotlk.com. The links are provided in the description. From there, you can also download the required circuit diagram and Arduino ESP32 code. Download the Arduino code from the website. It's come as a zip file. Open it in the Arduino IDE. Since analog write is not directly supported on the ESP32, we use LET setup instead. But keep in mind, this also does not work on ESP32 board version 3.0 and above, so make sure to install ESP32 board version 2.0.14. That's the version I am using. Next, connect your ESP32 to the PC using a USB cable. In the Arduino IDE, select ESP32 dev modules as your board and make sure to select the correct port. Then upload the code. During compilation, if the board doesn't auto-connect, press and hold the boot buttons until the upload starts. Once uploaded, you can control the robot from your mobile phone or PC via Wi-Fi. Just enable Wi-Fi and connect the ESP32 tank controller network using the password robotlk 1234. Then open any web browser and type 198.168.4.1. You will see the control interface with buttons on the screen. And from there, you can easier drive your ESP32 Wi-Fi tank robot. And just like that, you can also individually control the speed of each motor, allowing you to fine-tune the movement and keep the tank moving straight or make smooth turns as needed. I hope this solves the issue you were facing. If you enjoy video like this, don't forget to like, share with others, and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet again with another exciting robotics project, wish you all the best.